Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys a buy on Pionex that could benefit you in a significant way. Now, as you guys know, the cryptocurrency market does not trade sideways at all. It either shoots up or it shoots down. And we've been taking complete advantage of the market going up. But I told you guys last month that we did take some losses because as the market was pulling back, we did not set up any reverse grid bots. And reverse grid bots is the bots that you start when the market is starting to pull back. So as you guys know, cryptocurrency does not trade sideways. It's either going up or it's going down, and we want to take full advantage of the opportunities when the market is pulling back. So I'm going to show you in this video on how to set up a reverse grid bot in order to make some money while the market is pulling back. Now, it's not as simple as going in, hitting reverse grid on a coin and hit start. It's a couple of steps to it, so make sure that you stay throughout the entire video so you guys don't miss out on any of these steps on how to set up the bot. So if you guys want to set up some of these trading bots to try to automate your trading, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel because it helps me out more than you can even imagine. So before we start, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Pionex. With Pionex, you guys have access to many of the coins that are on these major exchanges, and on Pionex they have a whole bunch of different bots that you guys can use in order to automate your trading, in order to try to generate some passive income. You can set up a bot once and leave it and just let it run, or you can actively trade your bots like how we do over in the Discord. So if you guys would like to try Pionex, that link will be down in the description. Click that, sign up, and you can start to get trading today. So once again, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Pionex. Now let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are over on TradingView. This is the chart that we use to set up our technical analysis on many of these coins. Now, as you guys can see, when the market is trading sideways, we use grid bots. It hit once at the bottom at the support, went all the way back up at the resistance. You could start a reverse grid, went all the way back down to the support. You can end your bot and start to trade back up. But this is one example of it trading sideways. But like I said a month ago, the market just completely pulled back, wasn't no sideways trading at all. So that's when we could have started a reverse grid bot. Now, the one that we did take a reverse grid bot on last week was on CRO. So let's pull up CRO right quick. Here we go. Okay, CRO. Now, CRO was at an all-time high. We had started a bot once it had broke that downtrend line right there. We had started a bot right around in here, and that's when we started our bot, and we had set out a downtrend line and we rode it all the way back down to the support. I'm gonna show you that bot in the Pionex app, but we did ride this bot all the way down to the bottom. It's playing off of the 300. It's playing off the 200 EMA support line right there, and it still have not broke the downtrend line. If it breaks it, that will be a good time to stop your bot. We already stopped our bot and took profit on that. I think we was up 12%. Many other people got way more than 12%, but I got 12% on the bot. So that is this is one example where it shoots up super high. The RSI is way overbought, and we're gonna wait till it pulls back to a reasonable price, which is around the 200 EMA moving average line. So this will be a great example on when to start a reverse grid. So let's go to Pionex. Now that we're on Pionex, let's hit history and scroll down to crypto.com CRO. Now we did have a 9.98% gain, up $144. Well, 144 CRO, and this was one of the first reverse grids that we did on the Discord, and luckily we did amazing on this bot. Now, in order to do this bot right here, you can't just go to CRO, hit create bot, scroll down to reverse grid and start the bot. You actually have to have CRO coins inside of your portfolio. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to hit manual. This will take you to whatever coin that you want to go to. You'll hit manual, and then let's go ahead and put in a market order. You can either trade all of your USDT balance, which is 100%. You can do 25%, 50%. I'm not going to put in this order because it's not a good setup right now, but let's just say if we did, we would put in a market order for all of our coins and hit buy. This will convert half of our USDT over to CRO. Now, if you guys need to put money inside of your Pionex account, use Coinbase, buy USDT on Coinbase, and then send it on over to your Pionex account. It is very simple. I'll leave a video tutorial on how to do that right here. Now that we have around $290-ish worth of CRO, we're gonna go back to the bot on the reverse grid And now we can start our reverse grid bot. Down there at the bottom, as you guys can see, we have 2073 Crow, and now you can start your reverse grid. You could type in your lower limit, your upper limit. We do that, all of that in the technical analysis. And then down here on the advanced settings, you don't have to use advanced settings, but you can. On the lower limit, you can set it up for 50. On the upper limit, you can set it up for 75. And then you could just pick any grid that you want, 60, hit OK, and then hit create, and that will start the reverse grid bot. So there you go, dreamers. Now you know how to set up a reverse grid, so when the market is pulling back, you don't be stuck like Chuck waiting for a reversal. You can actually take some profit while the market is pulling back. So once again, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Pinex. If you want to try it out, that link will be down in the description. If you want to be a part of a community that helps you set up the bots and help you do the technical analysis and the market breaks down, I'm gonna leave a link down in the comment section to my Patreon. The highest tier will be around $1 a day. That is the cryptocurrency bot trading tier. If you sign up for that, you'll have access to all of my trades and other setups that the community have inside of the Discord. If you'd like to try that out, that will be down in the comment section. But other than that, guys, I'd like to thank Pinex once again. And I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show. And I'm out. Peace.